Kapuki Kids! Turtle! Nom 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 nom. Oh, whoops, I dropped it. Oh, go on, little turtle. Oh. Go on. Eat that tasty lettuce. Mwah! Lucky! We need some more lettuce. Breakfast still isn't over. What? Whoa! You ate the whole lettuce? What about the turtles? I'm hungry! Aw.
Hello! Arguing again? There's no need. Lifty will bring some more lettuce for the turtles soon.
Hear that? And we still have 2 bites left. 1, 2. Here, he still hasn't finished the previous bit. Some for you and for you. This little one, he's hungry. Oh, so cute.
Still no sign of Lifty, it seems.
That's my ear, silly.
Maria! Nicola! Lucky! Help me!
What happened, Scoop?
Come quick! I need help!
Coming!
Oh, this danger is here. Whoa!
There's been a real accident.
Oh, look! Here's his head! How you doing, Lifty? Oh, boy!
We need a plan. Nicola, Lucky, pick up the lettuce.
But don't start eating it. All right. But just don't eat it. Just don't eat it. Oh. Lucky isn't eating it.
And me and you will help Lifty. This yellow square, his head, don't forget his cap.
Done!
And his forks. You're a forklift after all.
Now we can feed the turtles. Follow me. Hey, turtles! What? Well, those are peacocks.
Why don't we close this container so we don't spill all the lettuce?
And so that someone doesn't eat it all. There.
Turtles! Turtles!
Turtles!
Hey! Here's one!
A real turtle! Eat up! Enjoy it, little turtle. Oh, you must be hungry.
The turtles are really hungry. because it's spring now, so they only just woke up. If you see a turtle in April, make sure to feed it some lettuce. Now we're off to eat something too. Enjoy your lettuce, little turtle.
Nicola, please, 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 just one piece. Go on, I guess I'll have some too.